I am Super Chris, and this is kind of I lost count of my videos, but don't worry, I'll count my videos. Try to afford. Ugh, man, my nose. Hope you don't see my nose. I'm stupid. Anywho, also, if you like this video, please subscribe and like it, because I'm really trying to get a lot of subscribers. Oh. Also, my brother and sister are practicing the slime ball. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Also, my brother, we wanted to call ourselves. Also, I'm about to start up a new channel called the PS4 Bros. If you want to see that, go ahead into the. Well, go ahead and search it up, PS4 Bros, because I don't know how to do that link crap and stuff. And my sister wanted to start a channel too. Lexi, what was your channel again?
My channel is People with Lexi.
People with... No, you stealing. I heard of that show, other show, that little girl with her mom. Yeah. And who, actually, I thought of like Slime Sisters. You know... Or Slime with Lexi. Yeah, whatever. Okay, fine. Yeah, People with Lexi, whatever. It's on YouTube Kids. So, yeah. We're getting to the video, and bye. Ooh. Part and about the show. As you can see, they made progress.
My name is Lexi.
We did it.
Nathan, introduce yourself.
And his name is Chris Nathan. And we just made a slime bubble.
Don't be ridiculous.
Can I pop it?
No. Let's just circle around in its glory. And, oh, wow.
Whoa.
Wow. I guess there's a lot of radiation near around the phone, so gotta be careful. Yeah.
Let's play with this.
Also, if you guys saw that, that was, yeah, that was quite amazing.
Let's play with the slime in fast vision.
We can't fast forward, Lexi.
No, you can edit. Yeah. Oops.
Yeah, actually everyone knows that every single video is being edited. But this one isn't, so technically I'm not editing jack. I don't even know how to on this on the phone. So yeah.
Let's try to make another one.
Okay, yeah, make another one. Try to make another one.
No, I wasn't ready.
Alright.
Okay, ready?
Alley hoop. Okay, I'm playing. Not yet.
If we fail, I'm sorry, guys.
No, don't worry. We got like 6 minutes on my phone storage.
Woo!
Whoa. Oh my. Turn on the light so everyone can see.
Turn
Because
on
it's,
the light, turn on the light.
oh my. Oh. It's bright. My eyes are. Don't be touching that.
Ooh, 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 this is like someone having a baby. Ooh, ooh. What?
Bath can glory.
Oh.
Destroy it.
It's
Yeah, I'm just gonna set this down. I gotta. Good thing I have a chair right here. I could hold my phone. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
okay.
Oh, wait, is it doing it? It's only showing you. Okay.
Let's make another one.
Another one, huh?
Another one. Another one. Another one.
I don't know why this is not working.
Do you know how late it is right now?
I guess I'm just gonna hold it. Yeah, okay, I can find something to hold this.
Oh!
Holy crap! That's a mother load. Woo! This is amazing. That is big. That is a big bubble. Like a rock.
Give it a kiss.
Don't be kissing. Yeah, you killed the bubble with your kiss. Yo, get away from it. It's bad enough you already killed it. Come on. Lexi. You messed it up. It was so beautiful. And then it melted away like it was like a giant circus tent. It was beautiful. Yeah. I guess I'm ending my video here. Please subscribe and like. Alright, bye guys.